What's good, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, 2020 is not too far away. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make money online in 2020 with this easy method. If that sounds appealing to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online in 2020 with this easy method. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, matter of fact, this month, at the end of this month, I'm going to give away some free money. So please smash that like button and drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this video. And please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, let me tell you a few things before I get into this method. First, let me tell you about the most active subscriber. Whoever becomes the most active subscriber by the end of this month will win some free money. So all you have to do to become the most active subscriber is be subscribed to this channel, like this video and all my videos for this month, and watch this video and all my videos all the way through to the very end, and watch out for a code word that's going to flash on the screen. When you see that code word, type that down in the comments below. And at the end of the month, I'm going to go through all the videos for this month and see who is the most active subscriber. See who's the most active subscriber when I look in the comments below. So once I find that person out, as a matter of fact, I might give two. So if whoever the second most active subscriber, might reward them with some free money too. So whoever is the most active subscriber and the second most active subscriber going to win some free money by the end of this month. Now, the next thing I want to tell you right quick is check in my description below. I have a lot of cool stuff you guys can check out and make some money like that. I have a website you can click on and you get $5 right off the bat. So go check all that out in the description below. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can make money online in 2020 with this easy method. So let's grind and let's get it. All right, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called squadhelp.com. Now, what this website does is they provide names for companies, for new companies and startups and new products and websites that are looking for names, unique names, creative names for their new business or product. So what you're going to be doing is providing those names for those companies and products. And you're going to get paid for providing those names. So once we come to this website, we're going to click here, the menu area. We're going to click on contests. We're going to click on browse. And we're going to click on active contests. Now, I just want to show you how much they pay people to select. I'm gonna show you how much they paying if they select your name for a company. So what they do is have contests. And as you can see here, there are 389 contests right now. And let's just look at a couple of them right quick. This first one, it's they're looking for a modern name for a cryotherapy product. And as you can see, they're paying $400 if they pick your name. And this next one, they're paying $350 if they pick your name for, they're looking for a name for their store. And this next one right here, they're looking for a name for their tech product or accessory. And they're paying $300. Here's another one paying $300, and here's another one paying $300. So they pay anywhere from $300 on up. Some of them might be $100 here, $200 there, but most of them are $300 to $400 or more. And you can apply for all these contests right here, which, like I said before, is $389. And you can win more than one of them. So you can probably make $600 or $900. So now, if you're not that creative with coming up with names, I'm going to show you where you can go and come up with some names on the internet. So let me go there right quick. Now all you got to do is just go on Google, type in company name generator. And as you can see, a lot of websites come up where you can go to those websites and come up with some creative names. Use those names, go back to Squad Help, submit those names to those contests. Voila. You really don't have to do any type of work. Real easy method. You really don't have to do any thinking. You just go to this name generator, business name generator websites, any one of them, put in their name, put in some information about the company, boom, they come up with an original name for you. So if you're interested in getting started, making some money, just submitting company names, go to squadhelp.com. All right, now you know the website you can go to right now that will help you make money online in 2020. So go ahead and sign up with that website and start getting this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that like button, because when you hit that like button, it really helps out my videos and helps out my channel. So please help me get at least 50 likes. Because if I get 50 likes, that will help me, help my video and help my channel to be seen by more people on YouTube. All right, please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I talked about today. And please share this video all around the internet and with your friends and family, because I'm trying to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss for 2020. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, thank you, Grind family. Thank you for your support. I'm glad you guys are watching my videos and helping me grow. And as I said earlier, I'm going to give away some free money at the end of this month, and I might start doing that every month or every 2 weeks. As long as you guys help me, help this channel to grow, I'm going to give back, because I want to help everybody I can to make this money. All right, before I leave, last thing I want to say is get your grind on, because the grind is real. Now go watch some of my other videos until my next one come out. Peace. Yes, it's here. Go cop the new app grind gear right now. We have t-shirts, we have hoodies in all different colors on sale right now at the App Grind store. Go cop yours right now. Don't hesitate. Click on the link in the description or the bio.
This is App Grind TV.